Hi, my name's Jared. I've known Linda for 4 years, I think now. I'm a student physical therapist and she's letting me work with her, help her find an exercise plan, practice for when I'm actually practicing. My mom loves her house. I love the house. I've been in it for 4 years. Yeah, she had a great time working with Linda. She said she made the process much easier than with any other purchases she's dealt with. She's very professional and yeah, just handled everything smoothly. Yeah. Oh, she's all over. I remember she was like busy. She's like all over the place. She knows her stuff around San Diego. She's very generous with her clients, I'd say. She holds a lot of events that she's sent emails to. I think I went to a birthday party for her dog. That was cute. She got everyone boba.